our friend Bob called us up and asked us if we'd help him take a supply run to his remote cabin. It's late spring, which means there's still a lot of snow on the ground in most parts around here, and so we're heading out on Snowmachines to his cabin with some supplies that he wants to have out there for the summer and fall. I'm super excited. This is my first time ever riding on Snowmachines. Brandon grew up on them in Minnesota, so I'll be riding behind him and we'll be pulling a sled with gear, and we'll get there and get loaded up and show you guys.
He lost them.
Starting it already?
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
I've been waiting for you guys.
All right, we're suited up. Got the trailers loaded up with the gear supplies for the cabin.
We made it. Man, that's awesome.
Over there. One's over there and one's over there. Yeah, just kind of crowded in here.
Yeah,
Check the game cams here. Yeah? Okay, now this one has everything so you can look. So this is the
Hey, my
shower
phone
house.
Oh yeah. Well, you had to dodge around that because there's springs that come out underneath the tail. Oh, okay. And there was just a big hole. So this next summer, fix this.
So this is where Bob was saying the wolves came through, took out a moose.
Need a lift? Could be about 3 foot right there. Don't get too close.
Well, we're back at the parking area, loading up the trailer. Awesome trip. We dropped off the supplies. Altogether, we did a total of 60.5 miles. First time on snow machines, had a blast. Perfect weather, it's like in the 20s. Lighting got pretty flat on the way back, so that made it a little bit of a challenge, and it was pretty bouncy the whole way back, but great first experience. And we got all Bob's supplies out to the cabin where he needs them for this summer. Thanks so much for joining along. Please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one.